Hello friends, it's time to read Bulldozer's Big Day by Candace Fleming. It was Bulldozer's big day. He couldn't wait to invite his friends to his party. Motor humming and blade held high, he zoomed, bump, vroom, across the construction site. Guess what today is? Whooped Bulldozer when he got to where Digger Truck was working. Guess, Digger Boom. I don't need to guess, kid. Today's a scooping day. Scooping, scooping, scooping. And a sifting day, Dump Truck rumbled. Sifting, sifting, sifting. Bulldozer's blade drooped or fell down a little. He rolled to where Cement Mixer was working. Guess what today is, called Bulldozer. I already know, Cement Mixer belched. Today is a stirring day. Stirring, stirring, stirring. And Bulldozer's blade drooped a bit lower. He rumbled to where Scraper and Grader were working. It sounds to me like Bulldozer is feeling a little sad because he keeps thinking everyone's going to remember his birthday, but nobody is remembering. Guess what, began Bulldozer. Guess, Scraper rattled. Who has time to guess? Today is a filling day. Filling, filling, filling. And a chopping day, Grader clattered. Chopping, chopping, chopping. And Bulldozer's blade drooped lower. He bumped to where Roller Truck was working. Do you care what today is? Asked Bulldozer. No, Roller grumbled. With a hiss of smoke, he huffed away. It's mashing day, he muttered. Mashing, mashing, mashing. Still nobody remembers it is Bulldozer's birthday. And Bulldozer's blade drooped so low it almost touched the ground. He crawled to where Crane Truck was working. I don't suppose you know what today is, Bulldozer said with a sigh. Of course I do, Crane clanged. You do? Asked Bulldozer. His blade rose up hopefully. It's a lifting day, Crane banged. Lifting, lifting, lifting. And this is my sixth and last. If you can see, he is lifting something. Good readers look at their pictures and they think about what's going to happen next and they make a prediction. What do you think that is? Let's see. Whoop! The construction whistle blew. Bulldozer turned away. His blade was dragging sadly in the dirt. No games, he sniffled. No friends. No party. How is he feeling? Really sad. And then a big whoop! Phew! A different kind of whistle blew. Toot, hoot, woo! I wonder what's happening. What are all those noises happening? Lots of whistles blew. Toot, toot, hoot, zoom. What is it? You're right, it's a birthday cake with candles on top. I wonder what his friends were doing all day. You do know what today is, cried Bulldozer. And as his friends revved their engines and honked their horns, Bulldozer raised his blade high. He's not sad anymore. He is feeling very excited and happy. And he made a wish. Hooray! Blared the others. Then Bulldozer squealed. What are we waiting for? Let's dig in. What are they gonna dig into? You think you're gonna dig into the cake? Let's see. And they did. They dug into a big piece of Bulldozer's birthday cake.